Hey guys, so today I'm going to be adopting my pink and white dog, and her name is Penelope, and her birthday is August the 8th. She's a pink and white dog. She's a girl. Hi, I'm Penelope. I'm so excited that I'm your pet. I've been told I am a joker, creative, and a good athlete. I think hanging out with friends is really awesome. I'm pals with a gray walrus. Want to know a secret? I love fish sticks and have always wanted a Wonder scooter. Well, now I'm going to open her gift box. My dock is like really messed up for some reason. I don't know why. I got a bonus gift box, yellow welcome balloon, and spiral pink roses. I got a circus ball trampoline, and that was from the bonus gift box. Now I'm going to feed her her food and the extra food that came with her. And the spiral pink roses can only be placed in an outside room, so now we're going to go to my Webkinz backyard. Okay, so now I'm going to put her item in my backyard. So that's what it looks like. I think it actually looks really nice. However, it doesn't really match this room, and maybe I will make maybe a colored themed backyard or something like that, or maybe just a allotment or something. So now I'm going to show you the bonus item that she came with, the ball trampoline. Yeah, that came in the bonus gift box, which I got with her, and it's really funny, and I think it's really cute. It's really adorable, so I'm going to keep that, and I'm not going to trade it because I think it's actually really nice. So thanks for watching. Bye!